According to the International Coffee Organization, Southeast Asia, including the Philippines, is experiencing a rapid rise in coffee consumption. But after every cup, the used grounds usually go straight to the trash. Today, we'll explore how these simple coffee grounds can become natural, sustainable, and practical solutions for Filipino households, gardens, and even small businesses, all backed by scientific research. Section 1. Environmental benefits. Let's start with the environment. A 2020 study in bioresource technology found that coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, essential nutrients for healthy soil. This is why they are considered green compost material. Coffee grounds in compost improve soil structure, boost beneficial microorganisms, enhance moisture retention. In the Philippines, many urban gardeners use coffee grounds because they are easy to find and reduce the need for commercial fertilizers. According to the Department of Agriculture's urban gardening guidelines, organic waste like coffee grounds can significantly improve home garden productivity. Climate tip: if we throw coffee grounds into landfills, they release methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times more potent than CO2. Composting them helps reduce climate impact. Section 2. Home garden uses. 1. Natural fertilizer. A 2016 Oregon State University study shows that composted coffee grounds produce high-quality soil with balanced nitrogen levels. Note: avoid using large amounts of fresh grounds directly because they can temporarily affect soil acidity. Small amounts or composted grounds are best. 2. Natural pest repellent. Research published in Nature Scientific Reports found that caffeine and other compounds in coffee act as natural insect deterrents, especially against ants, snails, and slugs. Filipino gardeners often use coffee grounds around vegetable beds, potted plant seedlings to discourage common pests. 3. Vermicomposting. A 2021 study in waste management showed that worms thrive when coffee grounds are added in moderation to organic waste mixtures. This makes them ideal for Filipino households doing vermicomposting or maintaining small urban farms. Section 3. Household uses. 1. Natural deodorizer. Used coffee grounds absorb odors due to their porous structure, a fact supported by environmental and food science studies. They work well in refrigerators, shoe cabinets, bathrooms, under the sink. 2. Cleaning agent. Coffee grounds act as a mild abrasive. They can help clean pans, sinks, stubborn stains. A study in the Journal of Environmental Management notes that coffee waste can reduce our reliance on harsh chemical cleaners. 3. Skin and hair exfoliant. Coffee grounds contain antioxidants and caffeine. Dermatology research shows caffeine promotes circulation and exfoliates dead skin. People use it as body scrub, scalp exfoliant. Reminder: avoid using it on sensitive skin or open wounds. Section 4. Business and income opportunities. Several studies, including those from Dust and the Department of Agriculture, highlight small business opportunities using coffee grounds. 1. Organic fertilizer or soil conditioner. Small farms often buy compost mixtures that include coffee grounds. 2. Soap and body scrub products. Home-based entrepreneurs in Cavite, Cebu, and Davao use dried coffee grounds in exfoliating soaps, body scrubs, scented sachets. 3. Mushroom farming. Research in microbiology shows that oyster mushrooms grow very well on coffee waste substrates. Perfect for small spaces and urban growers. 4. Eco-friendly crafts. Coffee grounds can be turned into biodegradable pots, candles, deodorizing bags, fire starters. Low cost, minimal waste, and profitable in local markets. Section 5. How to start using coffee grounds. 1. Collect. Dry the grounds immediately to prevent mold. Coffee shops often give them away for free. 2. Sort by use compost right pointing arrow mix with kitchen scraps deodorizer right pointing arrow fully dried cleaning right pointing arrow use fresh or slightly damp skincare right pointing arrow use within a few days 3. Apply small steps to start. Sprinkle around plants weekly place in a bowl as a deodorizer use as a gentle cleaning scrub add to compost or vermicompost bins 4. Share or sell once familiar. You can teach neighbors or create small eco-products for extra income. And that's it. From composting to cleaning, from gardening to small business ideas, coffee grounds truly a hidden gold for every Filipino home. Backed by science, easy to access, and ultimately environment-friendly, they're one of the simplest tools we can use to live more sustainably. Thank you. And may your next cup of coffee help grow more than just your energy, but your home, garden, and community as well.